Welcome, dear friends, to a journey into one of the most enchanting lands on Earth, a country where nature's majesty meets the elegance of cities, where every corner feels like a painting brought to life. Welcome to Switzerland, the jewel of Europe, a place that has long captured the imagination of travelers from all around the world. Here, time slows down and every moment feels eternal. Swiss cities glow with warmth and charm, their cobblestone streets carrying the echoes of history, their balconies adorned with flowers bursting with color. Beyond the cities, nature stretches endlessly, snowy peaks rising to touch the sky, green meadows dancing in the breeze, crystal lakes reflecting the heavens, and waterfalls cascading with timeless grace. Switzerland is not just a destination, it is an experience, a story you live, a memory that stays forever. And before we dive deeper into this magical land, don't forget to support our channel by subscribing, giving this video a like, and leaving us a kind comment with your thoughts. Your support inspires us to continue this journey and to bring you more of the world's hidden wonders. Swiss cities are a delight to explore. Their streets are perfectly arranged, their buildings aligned with harmony, and every corner tells a tale of tradition. Small cafes invite you with the irresistible aroma of freshly brewed coffee and pastries, while markets glow with colors and life, selling everything from handmade crafts to world-famous Swiss chocolate. Musicians fill the air with melodies, and the whole atmosphere feels like stepping into a fairy tale. As the sun sets, the cities transform. Golden lights shimmer on bridges and old walls, and the streets take on a romantic glow. Nightlife here is elegant rather than loud. Cozy restaurants serve traditional dishes filled with rich flavors, while intimate music gatherings turn evenings into unforgettable memories. Swiss cuisine itself is a journey. Famous cheeses, decadent chocolates, and traditional recipes shaped by centuries of culture create an unforgettable experience. Each bite is not just food, but a story of heritage, care, and passion. But the true magic of Switzerland lies beyond the cities. The Alps stand tall like eternal guardians, their snowy crowns glowing under the sun. Vast meadows unfold beneath them, lush and green, scattered with wildflowers. Waterfalls rush down cliffs with energy and grace, blending their roar with birdsong to create a natural symphony. And the lakes, still and crystal clear, mirror the sky so perfectly that they feel like windows into another world. Every season brings Switzerland to life in a new way. Winter transforms it into a kingdom of snow, inviting adventurers and dreamers alike. Spring breathes color into the land as blossoms open across the valleys. Summer offers bright skies, cool breezes, and endless opportunities for discovery. And autumn paints the forests with gold, copper, and crimson, a masterpiece of nature's farewell. Switzerland also thrives with culture and tradition. Festivals fill the towns with music, folk dances, and costumes that tell stories of history and pride. In these gatherings, you feel not like a visitor, but a participant, welcomed into the heart of the people. This is the true spirit of Switzerland, not only its landscapes, but its culture, warmth, and humanity. At the end of this journey, Switzerland remains more than just a travel destination. It is a sanctuary for the soul, a place where nature and culture meet in perfect harmony, where every street and every mountain holds a memory waiting to be discovered. It is the glow of city lights, the taste of chocolate, the sound of waterfalls, the peace of Alpine nights, and the laughter of people who welcome you with open hearts. So, dear friends, if you enjoyed this journey through Switzerland's enchanting cities and breathtaking landscapes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and leave us a comment sharing your thoughts. Tell us, what part of Switzerland captured your heart the most? With your support, we will continue to travel, to explore, and to bring you the wonders of this world. One magical destination at a time. Stay with us, for the journey never ends, and the beauty of the world is waiting for you.